do we solve this fraction question? We can see we have two fractions as the numerator and one fraction as the denominator. Now, let's first simplify it. If it looks complicated like this, let's just take it one after the other. So that here now we have 5/3 plus 1/3. Let's put this in bracket. And this long line means divided by, right? Then it will be divided by 3/2. You can see that it is looking simpler this way. So now we solve what we have in the bracket first. Don't forget our PEMDAS or Bodmer's rule. We have to solve the parentheses or the bracket before we solve any other thing. So now let's first solve what we have in this bracket. Since they have the same denominator, it makes it easier. So we just add the numerators so that 5 plus 1 will give 6, and this will be 6/3 divided by 3/2. What's the next thing to do? We flip the second one. So the one that is after that is carrying the division sign, we flip it so that we have 6/3. It will become times 2/3. Now we can simplify. 3 will go here 1 and 3 will go here 2. So this will give 2 times 2/3, and this will be 4/3. And you can also decide to write it as one whole number 1/3, and that is it.